Hello everyone. Today we will discuss inelastic collision in one dimension. Now here you are seeing that we have two bodies A and B which they are moving with the velocity u1 and u2 with the masses m1 and m2, and after collision their velocities is v1 and v2. We know an inelastic collision is that collision where the kinetic energy does not remain conserved. So but we know the total linear momentum during the inelastic collision remains conserved, so we can calculate the total linear momentum by the law of conservation of momentum. So we know the linear momentum before collision is m1 u1 plus m2 u2, and after collision it will be m1 v1 plus m2 v2, and the law of conservation of momentum says that the linear momentum before collision is equal to the linear momentum after collision. So we will here get the expression that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. This is according to the law of conservation of linear momentum. Now we will discuss in this elastic collision perfectly inelastic collision, and perfectly inelastic collision is that collision where after the collision two bodies will stick together and they will move with the same velocity, that is v. So before collision, let the body A having mass m1 is moving with the velocity u1, and the body B having mass m2 is at rest, so u2 is at rest. After collision, now they got stick together and they are moving with the same velocity v. Now what we'll do, we know the total linear momentum before and after collision, they are conserved, that is total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. So m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to total mass m1 plus m2 into v. Now m1, as you know, u2, the second body is at rest, so m1 u1 is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. From there we can calculate, the value of v. So v is equal to m1 u1 divided by m1 plus m2, that's the total mass. So thus in this way we calculated the final velocity of the two bodies after collision. Thank you.